Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best pizza ovens outdoor in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Pizzacraft Outdoor Pizza Oven. This outdoor pizza grill kit is a high-quality product that cooks perfectly delicious pizzas that make your mouth water. Electric ovens simply can't match the magic of this particular model. This conversion kit fits 1/8 and 22.5 kettle grills. This makes it an outstanding model as it can transform from a regular kettle grill into a pizza oven, making it a multi-purpose cooking tool. It's fueled by charcoal and wood chunks that can achieve up to a maximum temperature of 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The high temperature feature gives you a smoky flavor like in those professional pizzas you crave. Another excellent upside to this model is that it has a cooking area of 15-inch that allows you to make larger than the regular 12 pizzas, although not very large ones. It cooks your pizza within 3 to 5 minutes, sparing you the 20-minute wait with usual ovens. The dimensions are 16.9 inches by 16.9 inches by 4 inches, and it weighs only 13.1 pounds. Next, it comes with a cordierite pizza stone, a 1/3 aluminum peel, and a kettle converter, saving you the hassle of buying those things separately. It has flex sheet doors and a charcoal fence as well. Finally, it's hard to complain about any disadvantages since it is extremely affordable. Number 2. Our second best pick is KettlePizza Pizza Oven. This is an outdoor oven conversion kit for 18.5-inch and 22.5 kettle grills, which brings a lot of versatility when it comes to cooking. Its type is a distinguishing feature, which attracts several buyers to this particular model. The cooking area of this oven is 14-inch, so it can easily fit your regular-sized pizzas and cook them to perfection with its amazing temperature range of up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, the high-quality stainless steel riser sleeve and hardware exterior have dimensions of 22.5 inches by 22.5 inches by 7 inches, and it weighs just 6.93 pounds. Thus, it's a very lightweight model that is very simple to install. This pizza oven kit for Weber-style kettle grills has wooden handles that don't heat up, giving you a steady and safe grip. It comes with a pizza pan and a built-in high-temperature thermometer. As for the downsides of this outdoor pizza oven kit, it requires a lot of wood to achieve higher temperatures. Also, there is no pizza stone in the package. Many people still think that the product is worth buying because it is simple to use, and the price is low. Number 3. Our third best pick is Mont Alpi tabletop gas pizza oven. This portable pizza oven caught our attention because of its multi-purpose use. Forget about the regular oven you have in your kitchen for a second and try to imagine the best New York-style pizza you have ever eaten. This is an oven that cooks more than just aromatic pizzas. This is a 1-in-a-million model that is specially designed to make your cooking experience easier, better, and safer. This pizza oven is a portable model that weighs 27 pounds. It has dimensions that measure 21 inches by 15 inches by 17 inches, which make it take up less space, all the while serving various purposes. The cooking area inside this particular model is 14x14, which gives you good regular-sized pizzas, along with other delicious dishes like steaks. As the name suggests, it operates on gas, which is an easily available fuel. However, it can be a little more expensive than alternatives like wood and charcoal. The maximum cooking temperature it provides is over 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is not the highest you can get but is sufficient to cook thoroughly toasted homemade pizzas. It has 12,000 BTUs that ensure you have the best cooking experience. Next, the stainless steel construction has a built-in thermometer, which helps to adjust the temperature. It comes with a pizza stone that can be used to cook other things like bread as well. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Ooni Pro Outdoor Pizza Oven. This outdoor pizza oven is an ideal choice for anyone looking for premium features. Within 20 minutes, the pizza oven is ready to cook and widely versatile. It is suitable for cooking pizzas and roasting fish, meat, and vegetables in a few minutes. It is a large portable oven that will fit great in your outdoor cooking area. This outdoor pizza oven is best suited for those looking for a flexible and versatile large oven. It is flexible since it can run on wood, pellets, charcoal, and gas and heats up to about 950 degrees Fahrenheit in 20 minutes. The pizza oven is versatile for different kinds of food and can handle high heat for baking and grilling. It can cook your pizza in a few minutes once it has been prepared. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is 32. 5 wood-fired stainless steel Artisan pizza oven. This portable, stainless steel oven with a polished steel exterior is a quality pick, not just because of the high-quality materials it's made of, but also because of the extra features that set it apart from other ovens. Its large cooking space allows for large-sized pizzas to be cooked, or you can even place 2 to 3 regular-sized pizzas together and save time and fuel. Next, the cooking space is 25.2 x 29.6, and the interior is made of fire brick that contributes towards the taste. The temperature gauge range is quite impressive, and rapid heating time is another time-saving feature. This wood-fueled oven ensures that you make professional pizzas quite fast. The overall size is 32.5 x 31 x 79, which makes this model slightly larger compared to other portable ones. The door opening measurements are 20.75 w x 15 h, which allows a maximum pizza size of 20.75 diameter to fit inside. The weight of this portable oven is 220 pounds, and it requires some assembly before use. The product has wheels to make it easier to move and comes with useful accessories like a pizza stone, a wire brush/broom, a large pizza peel, large spatula, a pizza turner spatula, and a pizza cutter. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.